What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic DLX 220. This boat on the back has a 200 Pro XS from Mercury, so it's going to push this boat great across the water for you guys. So let's climb inside and check out some of the features. So you see inside here in the bow, we do have the gray with the white accents for the upholstery. Underneath my feet here, see we do have the ski storage. So under there you can fit fishing poles, skis, or any other odds and ends you guys bring out in the water. There is also storage underneath all of the seating as well. As you work back here on the port side, we do have the 3-drawer storage. So a great spot for towels, sunscreen, even your keys and wallets there. On the dash, we have our Hook 5 from Lowrance for your plotter. We do have a Fusion headset or head unit on this as well. Then back here, we do have kind of what a typical pontoon layout is what you'd imagine for this particular layout. Also storage underneath all of these as well. Great feature on this boat is gonna be the power bimini for this boat. The rocker switch is gonna be at the helm, so it goes up in about 10 seconds. You connect the arms up front, super stable for you guys. There is an option for a front shade as well. It zips to the back bimini, so you can get full coverage across this boat if that's something you guys are looking for. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. We do have other Crests in stock, as well as different manufacturers like Premier, Aviara, MasterCraft. Any of those, if that's what you're looking for, give me a call. Jake Jones again at 682-282-9969. Thank you.